run right now, Arvik. Okay, so Arvik, no, that's okay. So you wanted to share something with everybody, isn't it? Yes? Okay, loudly, alright? Start.
Once a bank manager goes to the South Indian restaurant and asks the waiter, "What do you have?" So the waiter says, "Idli, vada, dosa, uttapa, pongal, puri, naan, parota." So the manager says, "Okay, give me idli, vada, dosa, and two uttapa for parcel." So the manager says sorry. So the waiter says sorry, I saw it out. So the manager angrily says, "Why did you recite such a big menu?" Waiter smiles. So the waiter smiles and says, "Sir, I go to your ATM machine every day and I put PIN number, account number, amount required and print it to sit. Finally, your machine says, 'Sorry, no cash.' Now do you know how I feel?"
How it feels. Yes?
But parents, don't worry. There are lots of food in our canteen. Take a short break and come back soon. After interval, thank you.